Hey guys, what's up? It's Jeff with JSpark Garage, and in this video, it is new tool day. This is where I show you the newest tool that I've bought that I'm going to be using on future projects. And today's video is all about the best metal cutting setup for a small shop or garage. Stay tuned. So I had a problem. A couple months ago, I ended up selling my floor bandsaw. I don't have the space for it in my garage, and it's been in storage a couple years, so I ended up getting rid of it. But I'm still going to need to cut some metal. So I went in search of a small setup that I could use to cut brackets, cut some small piping, things like that. And I think I figured out the best setup. Let me show you. And for the record, this video is not sponsored by any of these companies. So this setup starts off with one of my favorite companies to go shopping at, Harbor Freight. We start with a Bauer portable bandsaw. Decent unit. You could typically get it on sale for about 80 bucks. 10 amp motor. It can cut up to 5 inches high and 5 inches deep. Overall, it'll work perfectly in this setup. The next part of this package is the Swag Offroad Pro Table. This is their Pro model. They also have another model that you can clamp in a vise. This one sits nicely on the tabletop and will work perfectly for what I need. If you'll notice, this model has slots for miter gauges on both sides. The top is made from CNC laser cut 3/16 of an inch plate steel, and the legs are made up of 1/8 inch steel. To get it all together, it's pretty easy. You remove the factory blade guard that comes with the portable bandsaw, and you install this plate right here. So I purchased my table in the raw steel form. If I had to do it over again, I would highly recommend you spending the extra $40 and having them powder coat it before they mail it to you. The laser cutting process can leave some pretty sharp edges. So to fix all that, I ended up sanding down all the edges and painting it myself. Here's a little time lapse of that. Here's something pretty cool about this setup. It easily converts back to being a portable bandsaw just by removing this simple thumb screw. Once you remove that, all you have to do is lift it out. Take it wherever you need. And when you're done, put it right back in. Fit the thumb screw. And you're good to go. So when I was buying the table, I also bought a couple other accessories to go with it. The first one being this miter gauge. This will come in handy when I got to make those brackets. I can make these cuts and get the perfect angle. It'll also work with piping. This is a nice pie shape to make those bends when you weld them up, or any other shape you could need. The last accessory I bought was this foot switch. Comes in handy. The portable bandsaw will plug into this end. The other end plugs into the wall. And the saw will only operate when I have my foot on the switch. Definitely makes it convenient. So overall, I think this is the best setup for my garage. It's small. It's going to get tucked away, probably hang from one of my French cleat walls, but I can pull it out whenever I need it. What do you think? What's your opinion? Do you have a better idea? Let me know below in the comments. I would appreciate it. So thanks for hanging out with me. Consider hitting that subscribe button and the like button, and I'll see you in the next episode.